Daily News Stream, July 9th, 2025.
We're going to see if we can make some available. They're very hard to get.
US President Trump says Ukraine will need Patriot missiles for its defense and criticizes Putin's ceasefire refusal, indicating a diplomatic shift towards Ukraine.
Ukrainian refugees enrich Poland's economy. Around 1 million Ukrainian refugees in Poland have boosted its 2024 GDP, or gross domestic product, by 2.7% through hard work, tax payments, and small businesses, study shows.
Iran is detaining minorities and activists over alleged Israel ties, using forced TV confessions and rushed executions in harsh post-war crackdown.
Vietnam protests Chinese ships illegally surveying its exclusive economic zone, asserting Vietnam's sovereignty and rights under international law, with Vietnamese authorities closely monitoring and responding to activities in the South China Sea.
China. Security cameras confirm a Politburo, or highest policy-making council, meeting in May 2025 occurred without President Xi Jinping's leadership. Key allies of Xi were also purged recently, suggesting a power shift as Central Committee meetings loom in October.
For the first time, Chinese President Xi Jinping missed the BRICS summit, with Premier Li Qiang attending instead. This absence blamed on a sudden scheduling conflict leads analysts to believe Xi is losing power and may soon be replaced. BRICS is a group of 11 countries: Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, United Arab Emirates, Ethiopia, Indonesia, and Iran.
US ICE, or Immigration Customs and Enforcement agents, detain multiple migrants at New York City Immigration Court, a new tactic reflecting President Trump's commitment to finding and removing all criminal illegal immigrants.
California, US. Massive fireworks explosion kills one person at a Simi Valley home after detonating in the garage, sending debris across the street, shaking neighboring houses, and causing a devastating fire. Experts warn keeping fireworks in the home or for personal use is very risky and is better left to professional pyrotechnicians. Supreme Master Qinghai Vegan says fireworks should be used sparingly, or not at all if it's near other houses, the city, or even in the wilderness, as it causes stress, frightening also to animal people.
US President Trump's administration criticizes the Smithsonian Institution for its one-sided divisive pop culture museum and orders a content review to ensure alignment with American values.
Vietnam indicts over 140 ex-officials in an elite gambling ring run from a Hanoi hotel, where in total over $100 million were wagered under fake names in illegal slot and card games.
South Korea faces the risk of an 85% population decline in the next 100 years, prompting urgent calls for reforms in family support and immigration policies.
US bans brominated vegetable oil, or BVO, in soda starting August 2025, following studies linking it to hormone disruption and toxic organ buildup. BVO is already banned in many countries, including in Europe and Asia.
Chemicals in shampoos and soaps infiltrate rivers and kill aquatic life after they are washed down the drain, study finds. Choose natural, chemical-free shampoos to reduce negative impacts.
Eastern medicine warns against overusing fans, air conditioning, and other cooling devices, as they cause cold energy to seep into your bones and rob your body of its natural warmth over time, especially in older adults.
Analysis. Identifying whether your body has a hot or cold nature helps you improve your health and well-being. By adjusting your diet and lifestyle to balance your body's natural constitution, you can achieve better health, deeper sleep, and a calmer mind. Follow these tips based on Eastern medicine. 1. Observe your body. Cold hands or feet, pale lips, sluggishness, or fear of cold suggest a cold body, while hot hands, red tongue, sweating, or irritability indicate a hot body type. 2. Eat balancing foods. People with a cold body type should eat warming foods like ginger to boost energy and circulation. People with warm body types need cooling foods like watermelon, cucumber, or chrysanthemum tea. 3. Avoid harmful foods. Cold type people should avoid cold foods like raw vegetables or iced drinks. Warm type ones should skip spicy foods or fried foods, which increase heat. 4. Adapt to the seasons. Cold body types need warm clothes and foods in winter. Warm body types benefit from light, cooling meals in summer. 5. Listen to your body. Notice changes in your energy, digestion, or mood to adjust your eating and sleeping habits for balance.
Russia. Magnitude 5.4 earthquake shakes the Kuril Islands, part of a recent cluster of quakes keeping nearby authorities on alert. The region, close to Japan, has seen 15 earthquakes in the past month, with the largest in magnitude 6.0.
Indonesia. 3 undersea earthquakes of magnitude 4.6 to 5.2 hit off Sumatra Island. Officials advise residents in affected areas to remain alert and prepared for aftershocks.
Thailand warns its citizens to evacuate from Japan's southern islands after over 1,300 earthquakes rattled the Tokara Islands in 2 weeks.
Italy, volcanic area Campi Flegrei is showing increased activity with more earthquakes, ground level uplift and gas emissions, raising concerns about a potential eruption soon.
Germany, uncontained wildfires in Gorge Height Nature Reserve forced evacuations and injured firefighters amid Europe's record 46 degrees Celsius heatwave.
US, severe thunderstorms kill at least 3 in New Jersey and leave thousands in New York and New Jersey without power.
Turkey, snow falls in the town of Rice, shocking locals who have never seen snow in July, while wildfires burn 1,600 kilometers away in Izmir province amid a nationwide heatwave.
Scientists warn New Orleans, US's flood defenses built after 2005's Hurricane Katrina are sinking more than 2.5 centimeters per year, making future flood protection unreliable.
Buenos Aires, Argentina freezes under rare July frost, while Europe and US endure severe heatwaves, showing climate change's extreme global reach.
Heavy rains flood Da Nang, Vietnam, with one man rescued from a drainage canal after being swept off his motorbike by strong currents.
Storm Danas heads toward eastern China with 100-plus km/h winds and waves up to 6 meters, though Vietnam's mainland is not at risk.
Kids screaming, asking for help.
US, flash flood kills 27 and sweeps away campers in Texas, prompting major rescues and emergency declarations as federal and state leaders respond.
US President Trump vows to take care of Texas flood victims, promising aid and praising rescue efforts.
Desert locusts, or insects, spread across Algeria and Tunisia due to unusual rain and heat, as July rains raise fears they could reach the Sahel, a semi-arid region of North Africa, and threaten food supplies.
Earth's rotation has suddenly sped up, making days slightly shorter. On July 9th, July 22nd, and August 30th, 2025, days will be 1.51 milliseconds shorter, the shortest since 2020, possibly due to internal Earth changes, scientists say.
I've never seen cloud formation like that in my life.
Analysis. Biblical evidence suggests Israel and the US are about to get shaken by natural disasters and geopolitical shifts. Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu's bold warning to eliminate Hamas echoes biblical prophecies, hinting at a looming confrontation tied to Jerusalem. Meanwhile, strange white lights and cloud formations in Florida, US's sky, prompt theories of a spiritual battle unfolding in America.
Antarctica has lost sea ice the size of Greenland since 2015, with a sudden surge in the Southern Ocean saltiness fueling deeper melting, scientists say.
Earth's climate may be more fragile than we thought, with human activity causing planetary systems to unravel faster than climate models suggest, new study warns.
Forests are adapting too slowly for modern climate change, study warns. Scientists say planting trees in new areas may help their survival.
If you see this email in your inbox, delete it immediately. New scam mimics iCloud, asking you to log in or risk losing your data. A trap to steal your password. Users are urged to report fake emails and avoid clicking any suspicious links.
Astronomers spot a self-destructing planet, HIP 67522b, located about 415 light-years away, whose close orbit around its sun causes deadly solar flares that are rapidly burning away its atmosphere.
Analysis. 2025 is the start of a 9-year cycle characterized by the fire element in Feng Shui philosophy. In this period, spiritually awakened individuals have an opportunity to align with the universe's energy, thereby opening new spiritual opportunities through 2034. By cultivating inner calm and embracing a simple life, they can achieve greater inner harmony and unlock their higher potential.
Elevating quote of the day. Some do not understand that we must die, but those who do realize this settle their quarrels. The worshipped Shakyamuni Buddha, vegan.
For more relevant news from around our planet, please visit suprememastertv.com/news.